Hello, guys.
Hello.
I'm gonna go get you.
We're gonna be making a slime today. It's called slime.
Grab this. I don't know
This is the
what
color I'm gonna be doing.
I really like blue.
I thought it was violet blue. This is another video of me and my friend. You guys
Bye-bye.
should go see our makeup video.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Dang, it also opens.
Bye.
Can you guys see that? Yeah, it opens. You guys want to see what she's actually doing?
I don't know what she's doing, guys.
You guys want to see my favorite, my dog? I'm about to say hi, Mama.
Her dog's so crazy.
So here's
When she fights with her, when she wants to play, she fights with her. No, they play together. They play together every time when she fights.
Okay.
I only have 5 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 4.
As you can see, my elf is right there.
Go on. Oh God, bro. What is he doing with the cookies?
I don't know. Yeah, you guys want to see it? It's being such a bad girl.
Isabel, look. My elf drawn mommy and my cousin like a mustache.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna be doing some blue.
My daddy's muchacha Torito Musita.
Yeah, I have a little receipt from school. I know the number, but kind of broke it. You can see that. It broke.
And I don't know what this is. This is it.
I got a sticker from there. It's so cute.
I was like, what's that elf over there?
Guys, I'm gonna put it on my. No, maybe I shouldn't. But this is super cute.
That's backwards. It was this way. It was this way. It had to be this way.
I know.
Then you turn it this way.
I showed the back.
I don't know what to say.
It wasn't this way. It was this way. Do you not? She didn't have that eyes. Yeah, so I don't know why it says, oh, did, or did. It says died. Okay. So yeah, I don't know why it says that, but it says,
Distinctive red smell to it. If you think you smell gas, you need to
Slime
act
kit?
fast by leaving the area and calling 911.
Yeah,
Once you are safe, call PG&E
Slime
at
kit.
1-800.
Here's a cup of water.
okay, so here's my, like I'm doing this.
Here you go. Waka waka,
Don't touch the powder, just pour it in there.
Okay, we're further those because we're gonna be spreading around.
And then we're gonna put this over like that. That's just so that doesn't spill out.
That's
Dad,
it.
Dad. No! You're doing it so wrong! Like that?
Okay.
For people who love their vehicles, there's
Never heard
only
of
one
it.
name on their
Yes.
quality list.
Now it says, cover the cap and shake for 3 minutes until the powder is dissolved.
Seat protector to guard against spills.
I don't know how you spilled so much.
I did because I know how I spill some.
Keeps phone
Because
secure.
I went like this and then it spilled out.
Shop for every
Guys, I'm shaking it.
products at weatherjet.com.
My dad said
Waka
it's
waka
for
egg, waka waka egg.
If you see a down line, stay away
we're gonna make her have some
Boy
fun so she can
2018
freaking
that has
minutes
come into contact with the power line.
fast. It's my Yeah, like this. So like absolutely
I'll let you know in 3 minutes or less.
Oh, hi! Here's my hand. I got my t-shirt, this gaming shirt that my uncle gave me. I don't know what
I also have this cute little thing, guys. It's so cute. Like I said, the instructions.
Was that my
I
thing?
did not even 4-3. What?
Those my things?
Yeah.
What?
Remember? You did not remember
Are
anything?
you using from your little pet?
No. You remember?
Oh yeah.
Said that. I forgot. It really feels like slime, kinda. Dad, it feels like slime already.
It's slowing down.
But what happened to your dumpling?
I cut it at school.
How?
The chip, I put it on, and then I got it cut.
The probability is that they keep
Mira, mira,
the track, the lava flow, and the
Okay.
rain are destined to meet at some
And
point.
then when
So
to
far, no
stop.
evacuation orders have been issued and no homes or communities are threatened.
Also, at the end of the video,
Potentially hazardous gases,
give us a
creating
big
fog
thumbs
or
up
volcanic smog downwind.
for
But they
in
never
the
matched the volcanoes
Bella's
area.
channel.
Used to be significantly
And our makeup
reduced.
channel.
US Geological Survey
And
aviation
if you're
warning
watching this
Viral has been
video, you
downgraded
should
from red to orange.
subscribe.
Restrictions around the volcano still remain in place.
Watch my friends' videos. I don't even know if he makes videos.
I do not make videos.
You want to do videos with me?
They say that's not only dangerous because there are crevasses, lava
I know,
tubes,
she
or
looks
you could
at
fall
me.
into the hot lava itself. But the lava viewing area is also
I
a
make
very
mention
military training ground.
me or
There's
did I
unexploded
type in
ordnance that
no?
you run into. One was found on Monday.
When you
triggering
come,
the
okay?
temporary closure
My
of the
cousin.
The area is
Are you allowed to make videos?
We're in such close proximity to the Bohakalo
Yeah, it's all right.
that there may be more closing the area. The lava could potentially make the main east-west highway
Mommy, it really
more
looks like
impassable,
slime, right?
adding hours to
Okay,
carry
now it says.
Yes!
It says to wait 20 minutes.
20.
That is so long.
For now, you can play. You guys can play with the
That's
slime in
it.
front of it.
Let's stand for 20 minutes and then the slime is done. So you have to let it stand for 20 minutes.
I guess go do something.
You guys can play with the slimes right here. Did you show it down on your blue one and your pink one, peach one?
Yes.
You guys can play with them on the table.
I don't want to.
Go ahead, Donna.
Yeah.
Why does this one have a Pikachu?
Pikachu? That's not even Pikachu. Stitch. What's that one? And this is for you.
On this case said that he called the victim to let her know about the arrest. He said she was, quote, happy and grateful to hear that the suspect is now in custody. That suspect, identified as Isaac White Carter, was arrested this morning at his home in Hayward. Police say he video repeatedly pushing 19-year-old Bianca Palomero on November 12th at a Hayward grill in Antioch. Palomero was
If you want.
Are you gonna do some? What are you saying here?
Huh?
So why are you saying here?
So I can make a Barbie video right here. Just kidding. Let's play slime together. So show the video. So guys, I bought this on Amazon. My friends.
And I'm just putting it.
So mine is. Oh, stitch slime, guys.
she permanently lost her vision in her
My
right eye due
friends.
to a rupture as a result of the attack.
Mine looks so cute.
Antioch police credit tips from the public.
You mean ours look cute?
I said mine looks so cute because it's
and
stitch.
Contra Costa County Sheriff's Office identified the
And
suspect.
yours looks beautiful.
We received more than one tip
Getting a lot.
to assist us in our investigation. Obviously, the more information, the better. The more people saying this is who it is.
Was that a sweater or a shirt?
Significant to us.
Sweater.
But we received.
Are you gonna take away? Are you gonna?
and the
Are you
investigation
hardcore?
came from essentially from
I'm not-
information from the
I'm not any of them.
Sheriff's Office.
You like your sweater?
It's
comfy?
Yeah.
It's comfy?
Yes.
Police say investigators are looking at
Her sweater is so comfy. She doesn't want to take it off.
White Hart is being held again on those charges of mayhem and
I did take them off at school.
district attorney's office tomorrow for review. Heather?
There's a
Yeah, it
lot
took some
here.
time, but glad to see an arrest has been made. Jana, thank you. The USGS
You don't have to
reports a
take all of them.
3.7
So that
magnitude
so
earthquake
mine
struck in the
is
East
so
San
good.
Jose foothills shortly after 3
I
o'clock
play
this
with mine a
afternoon.
lot.
The epicenter was not far from where two
I
other
never play with
earthquakes
that
struck in the last 2
because
months.
it's gonna
The
be
earthquake was felt in communities
I
throughout
try
the
to
South
play with
Bay,
it and make
described
it
by
nice
some as
like
a
mine,
jolt.
but
There are no reports of injuries or damage.
Family and friends are remembering a talented jazz musician who died
how
in a
is yours
crash.
stretching more than mine?
And those who knew Andrew Spade
This
say
is
he
mine
had a
does
big
that.
impact on the Bay Area jazz scene. Introduced Henry Lee spoke with some of his close friends about their loss.
Jazz musician Andrew Spade
So
delighted
guys, this is
audiences with
what
his
my
performances on the
slime looks
outdoor
Waka
set.
waka eh, summer at the eh. What?
58-year-old Spade was killed when his car was hit by a train company
Nobody
in
can even
Birmingham.
see it.
I didn't want to believe
Do this.
it. I wouldn't take it.
Nobody can even see it.
Ways to have it be untrue.
Right,
It happened at about 1:30
Like
Thursday
this.
afternoon
Your
at
Alfie's
Broadway
gone.
Station. His car was hit first by a southbound Caltrain
Yeah.
and then one heading north. The circumstances leading up to the crash are under investigation.
There. Wait, here's something. I feel something.
So charmed.
Music journalist Jeff Taylor was a friend of Spade who was from Australia.
How? How did you do it? Yeah.
So guys, look at my little stitch sign with the charm. It looks so cute.
In the Bay Area, Spade was well known among many Bay Area music
Summer
critics.
summer at the eh.
Samina mira, Samina mira, waka waka.
Spade also helped guide the jazz program at San
Waka
Francisco
waka,
State, where he was a
Samina
lecturer.
mira,
His friend was so dedicated to having
Samina mira.
his jazz performances.
Taka, taka,
Sometimes
taka,
his own living room.
Something like
There's
118
squirrels in my pants.
straight weekly Sunday
Can we watch me can
sessions.
go like this? I like the slime that we made, guys. So don't be acting like we're not good.
The slime's right there in front of you
Slime
guys.
is right here, guys.
And look what I made right now. We're not gonna do it again because I did it.
I'm gonna do this. Oh, I didn't know that.
But many of the vehicles were damaged so badly that they had to be towed from the scene. A new video from Twitter showing the moment that San Fran bus careened over a curb, hitting those 16 vehicles. The bus finally came to rest in a parking lot, and the driver was not injured.
How do you get this?
No word yet on what caused the crash.
An advocate of San Jose detectives there arrested a counselor accused of sexually assaulting
Look what I did. I did it with the cap. I did it with the cap. And it looks like the hat.
Cat. Yeah, so look at mine. I did mine without the cap and it looks so cute.
And look at how it's fitted. It looks like I got fitting right now. Yum, 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 right here. And then there's a piece of it. Now let's go find a
You
chart.
guys are wondering where my charm is. It's in my way.
Yeah, find leader.
No, for real, I lost mine. I just lost it.
Yeah, me too. I can't even feel it right now.
No, let me.
What am I chart right now?
Well, then why were you acting like you lost yours?
But can I try to figure out?
Why?
You filled mine.
Well, because I wanted to see if you're lying.
For real, did you lost your chart?
Yeah,
Why are you laughing?
I know how it is.
Let me touch it. Let me see if you're lying. You're not even showing.
I told you I lost mine.
What?
What? Why are you saying oh my god?
I'm saying oh my god because you lost it.
Sicko.
They don't have a time.
Stop.
How did you get it? Say your life.
No, I didn't lie.
How?
I wasn't lying. I found it.
Two Richmond residents are under
Look good, eh? Mommy,
Oh my god.
if you're watching YouTube, Gabby, you should watch us and subscribe because we have
I don't have my charge. I lost it.
and my phone.
I don't even have my charge.
Wait, get up.
Yeah.
Get up.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's so good. You can play with mine.
I can't have my.
We just started. Guys, my friend is like the best slime ever.
Oh my god. Yours red.
And look. No, it
Gimme.
Look. Mine is not red. But it feels so good. Look. Do it. Feel it. No.
Any other name,
Oh my god.
and that
Oh, yours can't do that.
October through April, May, depending on the weather, we
I'm gonna make
get
my friend
these roasts a lot. It's probably our number 2 coffee.
I do this
without
and then
warmth
I just mix it
provided
in.
to the roses from natural gas-made steam in the greenhouse heating pipes, the Nebby 600,000 square feet of roses will grow too slowly.
What is what about blue and what is pink? What is this color in blooming?
Depending on the variety.
You already know.
Purple?
Yeah.
But in just the last few days, the price of natural gas
Oh, but I thought you had to do red and blue and it makes purple.
No. Red and like one drop of red makes pink.
they're already up to almost the all-time high set in December 17 years ago.
Is it time to be slime?
Many people
Let's say that.
services
Did you put the timer on for them?
consider roses
Yeah.
electricity. That is a
But look
Chris
at it.
20 minutes.
highly skilled staff
So got 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes. But you have
Dinner's
to
almost
scissors
ready.
there.
We'll be done by then.
We're not cutting.
Okay.
People inside the packing facility here
You're already done.
processing and getting
Yes,
them
I'm
ready
done.
which makes
Mira, mira, mira. Cara, cara.
part of the United States paying
Samurai. Waka waka.
the fact is the natural
Isabella.
gas futures market shows
I got
natural gas
stuck.
prices
It's amazing.
falling nationally.
This is I did.
But
Wait, wait.
California's price on natural gas.
Who's that for?
As of December
You
1st,
guess?
California Public
Your mom.
Commission allows substantially higher
No, it's my dad.
commercial and
Why was my dad's phone different from this? Guys?
industrial
Oh, wow.
transporting it. But
This is what your hand looks like after.
increased nearly as much. The cost of many
Guys, I'm gonna make a video on Roblox.
will likely be passed on. Coming from KTV.
Waka waka. Samurai. Waka waka. What are you doing? Oh, sorry guys, I just dropped you. I dropped it this time. So guys, can you see? No, that's fine. Ow! What? You're pushing my leg down.
I'm not even doing that.
But wait, I'm gonna bring my things home.
Huh?
I'm gonna get.
No, sorry, that's not your sign. I'm sorry.
You said it was my vlog.
I never said it was going to. Did I? I never did.
Is about when I buy slime. Sure, you are gonna play with it, but it's not yours. I'm joking. It is.
It is what?
When I buy slime, it's not gonna be yours.
Okay, do it. It is yours.
I'm gonna wash my Waka waka. But Bobby, you can wash your hands.
I don't want to. What was what? Etana, can you grab my water bottle?
I cannot grab it.
Yes, you can.
Don't let me touch it.
Don't drop it.
What?
I need it. So just
Fine.
grab it. What's wrong with you?
Okay, I want to wash my hands.
I never said you can't, Etana.
Okay, this is the bathroom.
Why? Scared, girlfriend? You don't have to be scared. What you scared for? Ain't nothing but a chicken wine, girl.
I'm being there pretty good. Somebody offers me a check for $10,000. At the time, it seemed like a lot of money. So I took it. Such a bad move. Between the medical bills and the time I missed from work, before I knew it, I was broke. What's worse? I found out later. My case was actually worth over $200,000.
So guys, I'm going to be doing
I should have called her immediately.
the little stop.
There's always a fresh deal on the Subway app, like this one. 50% off, that deal goes to the 8-time All-Star Tango Pouch. Get it before it's gone on the Subway app.
New at 6, family and friends of a woman from the peninsula who may have been kidnapped in Mexico are asking for more help to find her 29-year-old Monica De Leon was last seen walking her puppy on November 29th in a town about 45 miles northeast of Guadalajara. Her family says authorities told her that she was forced into a van and then taken somewhere. Her family is asking Senator Alex Padilla and Congresswoman Jackie Spear to help in the search. Well, the FBI is warning Bay Area shoppers to be aware of those holiday scams. Investigators say they anticipate increased fraud schemes this year, designed to steal money and personal information from unsuspecting shoppers. The two most prevalent
I was doing 1, 2, 3 stop. I was doing 1, 2, 3 stop, and look what I look like.
and non-payment scams where goods or services are shipped.
Oh my god. Guys, so we're gonna start over because this looks
This year,
so
the numbers appear to
super
be
ugly.
down in the number of complaints, but the
1, 2,
dollar
3
now means that
stop.
county alone this year, we've
I
had
want to
over
play
$2 million.
1, 2, 3 stop.
Oh,
The
my
FBI says
goodness.
other holiday scams to be aware of include
1, 2,
online
3
shopping scams
How?
and
stop.
donation scams
Don't we
involving
have the same-
fraudulent or non-existent
1, 2,
charities.
3
As the BTA
stop.
prepares to bring car through downtown
Probably
San
not.
Jose, some buildings and businesses will
Oh, she's trying to charge her tablet if you want to help her.
plan to buy
Stop.
them or use eminent domain if necessary.
1, 2, 3
That is not sitting well with those at the
stop.
intersection of Clarence Street and
Gosh.
3rd, who say relocating properties
1, 2, 3 stop.
What's up, baby?
I did 1, 2, 3 stop. I look so cute, guys. So I did 1, 2, 3 stop.
Oh, that's it.
What about your shirt? Huh? So what about your shirt? Look, I do. I'm sure.
Transportation officials say plans have long been set.
Waka waka. Wait, what about you tell you which girl to be?
And while they're trying to keep disruption to a minimum,
I can't even see them, guys. Can you guys tell us something? Like, tell us almost ready. Do something like if you want to dress like Vampirina or something.
When Chep's phone alarm goes off, it's
Or you
ready,
guys can
girl.
tell us to make us dress like
No, it's in 5 minutes. He say 5 minutes, okay?
Wednesday. You can pretend that we'll drop a dinosaur, just like talk, but just chat.
Then the eminent domain process is the process by which we would go to the court
I've never
for
shown
possession so that no individual property owner can delay the
you.
the building owner, Miriam Delia, says the process is about money. It's about what's fair. She believes the state say officials are quote, legacy buildings displacing small minority-owned businesses, permanently impacting an important corner of downtown San Jose.
So,
Hi guys. Waka waka.
It's not an iPhone, is it? It's not an iPad. Different charger.
So here's a different charger.
Yeah. Different charger.
Interstate 80 in Sarah's back
You really want to play with her, or because she's trying to play?
okay, yeah, I do.
Officers are urging drivers to
I
take
did
it
1, 2,
slow
3
to
stop,
avoid
guys, and this is
cars
what I
or
got.
all the up there. Right now, chains are required on all vehicles
Can you
except
guys
four-wheel
see
drive
that?
vehicles with snow
This is what I
tires
got.
on both 80 and Highway 50. Caltrain is working to clean up storm damage on Highway 1 through the Central Coast. The 40-mile section was shut down over the weekend from Big Sur to Ryan
Stop.
Plain in San Luis Obispo counties. The storm caused cliffs to erode and left
That's
large
what I
boulders
got.
on the roadway.
Easy open. Where's easy open? I don't know.
Share and say if you like it or not.
Highway 1 fully open by Thursday.
And
Yeah, check it out. The times on 50 and 80 all
It's not
afternoon and
working.
evening, and potentially more as we go on as more scattered showers, snow showers move through. The heavy stuff is through for now. We have some rain over the last 24 hours. We've seen significant rain really over the last 3 or 4 days, up to 4 inches, 5 inches in some places over a number of days. It's been good rain, it's been good snow, and it's been done to some extent, on and off.
Oh, how did you do those vegetables before? Put them in here and
Okay,
put them in the microwave, or boil them? How did you do this?
Yeah, in the microwave.
So guys, what is sun?
Would you rather me boil them though?
There's another one.
I don't know if it matters.
Timing
I don't know how you want to do it.
I'm not going to try to do that now, because it's not really making sense. So at this point, to go, okay, hour by hour, and then get closer to the mark.
Guys, I just got the
So the way
weird.
out of that is really kind of thing. So here
No,
is
it's
the
kind of cute.
rainfall accumulated, just sort of contour, to give an idea how much rain. We're nearing to see the heaviest preset snow or rain as we go into the next few days. Embarcado's lit up. Looks like it's got the Bay Bridge.
And then I put
I
this
never seen before. What's
here.
that right there?
with water.
Cover it.
With the lights.
To paper towel?
I think those Tupperwares are better.
Okay.
Right on your ground.
You think it?
I think.
Maybe so.
Ever noticed?
The holiday spirit now.
Yeah, for sure.
That way, perhaps it
Put a
turns
little
like
bit of water.
I'll check them out on my website.
No.
Come on. Come here. Okay. And then look what I look like. I did 1, 2, 3 stop. Well, I want to play Roblox for her.
Officials say the extension is necessary to give people more time to comply. When the law
But I just want to play Roblox. But
provide a real ID driver's license or another TSA.
so you can't charge it? You can't charge it?
We don't have a charger for her. It's not the same.
Oh. But we charged her tablet before.
Because our chargers are different.
Not so fast.
That was what?
Our chargers are different.
49ers as Jimmy Garoppolo
My
is
charger,
out for the
my
rest of the
grandma gave
season.
me.
What that means for the team's
She can't get her charger? Why?
I don't know.
Why is she Why?
Choices of perfectly slow smoked honey Baytam, tender turkey
This is
breast,
so
and delicious
easy.
sides. Kelly Baked. Nobody wants their holidays Kelly Baked tonight but the Kellys. Make your
Want to garbage?
holidays from Honey Baytam complete.
So guys, this is my Christmas.
This holiday season, Ford wants to help you shine bright.
Just go with Ariel.
Even if rates go up before your order comes in, plus hundreds of vehicles are arriving daily.
It hasn't grown up.
Now get
Hi, Mom.
1% APR for 60 months on the
Hi, Mom.
2016 Ford Explorer.
Where's your brother?
Ford dealers today.
I think he's somewhere, but I don't know.
quiet yourself. No chance.
Hi guys.
Did you pick up a knife and attempt that yourself? Of course.
Give us a big thumbs up on this video, please. Sweetie, can I take a picture of you? Yes.
Yes.
Outside.
Unfortunately, it's true.
With your brother. Okay. But you remember you put him in timeout? Pretend he's nice now. Hi, Mom. Hi, sweetie. It's time to pick the picture with your sister. But I need a skinny girl. I need a skinny girl. Skinny girl? Yeah, because look. You're not even putting it on right. Look. Oh, but it's backwards. By the way, you're not even supposed to put it on like that. You're supposed to take this off. On all dolls. It's not that she's fat. All dolls are like this.
Stop Cabenuva and
You
get
thought
medical
her-
help right away. Tell your doctor if you have liver problems or mental health concerns.
You
If you
thought
are
she
breastfeeding or
just had a
considering
fat one?
pregnancy, some of the
No.
most common side
But you
effects
said,
include
can you,
injection site reactions,
she's
fever,
too fat,
and
you said.
tiredness. If you switch to
That's what you said.
Cabenuva,
No, I
attend
said,
all treatment appointments. Ready to treat your HIV in a different way? Ask your doctor.
Why did you do
Every
this?
other month, Cabenuva. Every other month, and I'm good to go.
Not my feet, no.
A lot of choices. Perfectly sourced smoked honey baked ham, tender turkey breast, and delicious sides.
Where you going?
Kelly baked. Nobody wants their holidays Kelly baked.
Trying to
Not
do
even the Kellys.
Oh, so cute.
Boy, there is a major
No, that was inappropriate.
This was sad to see yesterday. Jimmy Garoppolo sidelined now for the rest of the season.
Okay, kids, ready? Sister, so they have to do this.
And I say that Jimmy G has a
These are sisters and brothers. These are both doing the same thing.
By the way, was the last player.
Ready, steady, cheese.
Would get his first NFL start against
Done.
Do that.
Are you
gonna have a light on?
Yes, yes, please. Kids. Kids. This is the brother. Who are you? This is our security cameras. Tell us who are you. Okay, I don't know. Comment in the
and given the honorary title of Mr. But Purdy was anything but irrelevant on Sunday as the 22-year-old took over.
She looks like Hello Kitty,
Led
guys.
the team to victory over the Miami Dolphins. After the game, Purdy described the experience.
There was a little, just like a whole butterfly feeling of, all right, man, like, we're going in, let's do this.
She has
it
a
wasn't
butt.
like,
How do you
I
take
was
this
up
off?
there, like, shaking and like, oh shoot, what
Did
do
you
I
know
do?
how?
What's my read? None of that, man. It's
Yeah, you do.
every single week.
Well, my nails are.
Act like I'm the starter. I prepare
But
like
you
I'm the
know.
starter.
But when he took his first snap, Purdy also worked
Well,
himself
my nails are
into
cut
the
off.
history books. According to Sports
Cut off?
Illustrated, he
No,
is
they're
the
not.
first Mr.
They're
Irrelevant
on.
quarterback to
Your nails are
ever
not
throw a
cut off.
touchdown pass.
No,
And if he
my
does, in fact,
sharp
start
nails
against
are
the
off.
Tampa Bay Buccaneers next
The
weekend,
sharpener. Oh, sharp. The sharp. I kinda. It's so easy. Look, you don't need to have your nails.
Very thankful that I got drafted.
You don't need to have your nails
I've
to
always
do
had
it.
confidence and belief in myself that I can play this level.
You just take it off. You don't need to have your nails. This school acts like she wants to need like long nails or something.
year in 2021 when he led the Iowa State Cyclones to victory and holds 32 individual
Mom?
team records. He's originally from the Phoenix area where he played his high school ball.
Mom?
At Levi Stadium, fans and opponents alike are impressed with what they see.
Never mind, I'll just ignore you. This.
Whatever he's doing, we can keep on doing it as long as we're number one on top.
I think I was quarterback controversy, to be honest with you. He did pretty darn good. The kid's not a bad defense, so, you know, 17 he looks pretty interesting to watch. Watch out.
These family photos provide
Look at it.
Purdy's family in Arizona.
Wait, did she eat it? She ate it. Yeah, she did.
Tampa Bay Buccaneers next Sunday. Reporting at Levi
It was on the ground.
KTVU,
Oh, it is.
Fox 2 News.
Look, it's right there.
Sad news out of Hollywood tonight. Actress Kirstie Alley has died.
So why are you
An
like
announcement
this?
was made by her family just
Look
about an
at-
hour
that's
ago
me.
on her Twitter page. It said she died surrounded by family after a recent cancer diagnosis.
Sweetie.
The two-time Emmy Award winner became a household name after she starred alongside Ted Danson in
Sweetie.
1986 sitcom Cheers, playing the role of Rebecca
Gonna
Howe.
tie up.
She went on to
I was
star
gonna
in more
ignore you.
television
Did
and
you
movie
come at me?
projects.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
Coming up tonight on KTV News at 6:30, the Supreme Court taking up another high-profile cultural issue. The arguments on whether businesses can deny LGBTQ people services.
And state lawmakers want to hold oil companies accountable for those high gas prices. It's being artificially high prices.
Aaron Judge Major League Free Agent Market. Sorry, I'm looking at football, but we're talking about baseball. Yeah, okay. Anyway, leaving the Giants' key rival without one of their stars. We're going to talk baseball, and I'm guessing a little football. Coming up on full.
You ready to eat dinner? Go wash your hands, please.
Let's go.
Hey, Dana, you want me to wash your hand, babe? Okay. Okay, Mama, go wash your hands, and then I'm gonna serve you. What? Are you recording?